Hello!
Welcome back. My name is Brittany and I'm an English teacher for Dynamic. And this is Fran, my lovely student. Yes, she is a content creator and an actress. ¿Qué hacemos hoy, Fran?
Today, we're going to show you guys our full makeup routine.
So we are going to learn about vocabulary and phrases about applying makeup.
Yeah, but guys, I'm not bilingual yet, so I'm still learning, okay?
She's really good. Enjoy! La primera etapa es skincare.
Yes, it's the most important step because if you have a hydrated skin, your makeup are going to look flawless. So now you can apply your hydrating serum.
En inglés decimos apply, como aplicar, o put on.
Put on.
Put on,
Okay.
sí, para maquillaje. Okay, put on es más como poner, pero necesitamos el on. Puedes decir put serum on o put on serum, pero es más natural con put serum on. Poner una cosa on. Okay?
Okay.
The next step is face cream. This depends on your skin type.
Yes, because if you have a dry skin, you need to put on a more thick cream. But if you have an oil skin, you need to put on a more gel, more delgada, ligera,
Thin, yeah, light.
light cream en toda tu carita.
Yeah. Toda la carita o tu carita is all over your face.
And the most important step, the sunscreen.
En inglés decimos sunblock or sunscreen. Los dos sirven.
Makeup time! Okay, you can start with any step, but I prefer the brows.
Okay. Brows is a shortened version of the word eyebrows, cejas. You can say brows or eyebrows.
Yes, and if you have a thin eyebrows, can I recommend you use a gel or a pencil to rellenar,
Okay, to fill in.
to fill in.
Yes.
Okay.
Good. And what if you have thick, grueso, or rebelde, unruly eyebrows like me?
Okay. I have a rebel eyebrow like you, so I use soap. It's nice. It's nice.
When you use a pencil, we use the verb fill in, a phrasal verb. So, fill in my eyebrows or fill your eyebrows in. Okay.
Perfect.
But for unruly eyebrows, you take the brush, dip it inside the soap,
Yes.
around,
Round.
and then you put it on your eyebrows.
And brush.
Brush. And shape your eyebrows. Primer.
Yes, there are too many types, like for illuminating, hydration, pores, or matte.
Okay, so Fran is going to use one for illumination.
Yes, I love glowy skin.
Me too. And I'm going to use one for pores. Okay, you take some primer and put it all over your face. Now for foundation. In English, you can say foundation or base, como en español, base.
And I'm going to use a BB cream. It's like a foundation, but more tirado para el skincare.
Okay, más lighter, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And with my sponge.
And I'm going to use a brush and foundation. Entonces, ¿qué hacemos, Fran?
Can you put your foundation in your hand? Mix with your finger. Put on your face and start to difuminar.
Blend in.
Blend in.
Yes.
Blending.
Yes.
So now we continue with the concealer.
Yes. Fran told me that concealer is really great if you have dark circles underneath your eyes.
Knit and then like a knit, like a rodilla.
No, po. Abajo de, underneath.
And the other is?
Knees, como rodillas.
Okay, knees. Okay. So now you put your concealer underneath your eyes. And if you have a pimple like me, you can put it on.
Pimple. Espinilla.
Yeah.
Bueno, si están disfrutando de este video,
Les vamos a dejar los links en la cajita de info para que vayan directo a Dynamic English y puedan saber toda la información sobre los cursos.
next we have contouring, blush, and highlighter.
Yes, and we use this to define our cheeks, right?
Yes, our cheekbones.
This part.
Yes, cheekbones.
So now we are going to apply our contouring down below our cheekbones.
Okay, decimos abajo de, underneath, or below.
And down below is...
Down below es otra cosa. Sí, no tenemos tiempo hoy, ¿verdad? Sí.
And now blending.
Okay, and now we have the highlighter.
My favorite part.
¿Dónde la pongamos?
La ponemos.
Ponemos.
We're going to put the highlighter on the cheekbones.
On the cheekbones.
Yes.
Perfect.
Here.
And blend in.
Yes?
Perfect. And lastly, we have blush.
Yes. For look like more alive. And if you do not have a blush, you can use your lipstick. Now we continue with the eye primer.
Nunca en mi vida he usado eye primer.
Really?
Yes.
But you can use your concealer.
Ah, okay. My concealer.
Yeah, the eye primer is necessary because your makeup can durar más, you know?
Dura más, last longer.
Okay. Okay.
So, you apply the concealer and you blend in with your finger. Now we're going to do eyeshadow. This is called an eyeshadow palette.
Yes, and you can start with a neutral color for the transition. So you take your brush and apply in the cuenca.
The outer corner.
Okay, like that.
Yeah. Okay, after this, you can decide shiny and glitter or a color or more neutral. I'm going to use a neutral color, and Fran?
I'm going to use glitter.
I'm going to use the color pink on my eyelids.
And I'm going to use a glitter. And if you have more pigmentation, you can use your finger and put it on your lid.
Oh, qué bonita. Very beautiful. When we talk about eyeshadow, it's better to say apply eyeshadow. And
Apply.
not sí.
Okay.
Yeah. Está bien decir put on, pero es un poco más usado. Un poco más usado decir apply.
Now we continue with the color.
Hay dos formas de pronunciarlo, ¿ok? Americano, curler, o como yo, británico, curler.
Sounds beautiful. Mascara. Mascara. We have two types, waterproof and a normal. So if you have a thick eyelashes like me, you need to use waterproof. But if you have a curler lashes,
Curly lashes.
you can use a normal one.
Bueno, pestañas en inglés sería eyelashes. Eyelashes. But for shorts, We normally say lashes.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
You need to do a zigzag para que llegue a la raíz, you know?
To reach the root.
The root.
The root, la raíz.
Okay,
the root.
yes. Like this. And now to set everything, we're going to use a powder.
Set significa sellar. Sellar el maquillaje. Okay.
Yes.
We have two types. Compact, compacto, or suelto, loose. Loose powder. Okay.
And you can put it in all your face. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Or only underneath your eyes.
Exactly.
With a brush. Or with a sponge too. Now we continue with the lip liner and the lipstick.
Or the lip gloss.
Yes. This is to define, and this
Is to add color.
yes.
Yeah.
Or
This is to add color or shine.
yes.
Yeah.
But these have a plumping effect.
Plumping en español sería rellena.
O voluminizar, puede ser.
Sí, puede.
And the last steps, the setting spray. This is to set our makeup and
Make it last longer.
yes.
Que dura más. Ojo, se pronuncia spray.
Spray.
Sí, no spray.
Okay.
Okay? Well, that's it for today. Finished. Makeup on fleek. Como está perfecto.
Flawless.
Yes, flawless. So, thank you so much for joining us today, Fran.
Oh, thank you, Dynamic, for having me. Thank you, Britt.
So, if you like this video, click like, comment, subscribe for more relevant and cool dynamic English content. Bye-bye.
Bye.